TP hits. So that is trade number 3. Again, we hit the absolute max limit we can hit for the day. 50% of total profits. Actually, my total profits is now $4,431. So it is day 3 of this funded account. We have taken a total of 2 trades so far. Win rate 100%. Both trade payouts $1,400. So we are very close to passing this funded account. We're gonna take one more trade today. What I'm feeling today, all of this feels like some consolidation, pretty much. Waiting for it to sweep one of those lows, or I guess what I ultimately want to happen is for it to sweep this low and to come into this fair value gap off of the hourly, I believe. I had marked it out yesterday or something like that when all of this was happening already, because it was the next unmitigated area. It was actually an order block. So it was pretty much the next unmitigated area that I felt like we could come down to. And then, as well as that, we have some red folder news, some unemployment coming out at 8:30, which I assume is not doing too well as of right now. So I definitely think it's going to push our market and whatever this consolidation is down. Once we sweep the 9 a.m. candle, I'm expected to see a reversal somewhere right here. So, alright, work with me here. We're going to hit that wham. Consolidate. Explode. You understand? Oh, now, if that doesn't actually happen, we're cooked. But until then, we're gonna wait and see. All right, coming up on 8:30, well 9:30 in the market, we are gonna mark out the high and lows of. That was hella disrespectful. I'm gonna mark out the highs and lows of this 9 a.m. so far. Well, I guess there is no low, so we're gonna mark out the high this 9 a.m. because we're not gonna sweep it. We hit 8:30 and now we're starting to hit this drawback on. We have a 5-minute fair value gap right here that I don't feel like it is gonna get much respect. However, it could be a safe trade. Yeah. So 8:30 news will definitely be pushing. And honestly, this in itself could have been a trade taken. Honestly, had taken a short from that 8:30 into into that 0.6 range, taking a 1 to 2 on that could have been a fair trade. I don't know why I didn't do that. This candle's waking up. This candle is really waking up. Oh my god, wait. If we sweep the 9 a.m. already, I mean, this is the 9 a.m. candle, you know? So we can't sweep the sweep. So now it's just like, what are we doing? We can't. I think this is a safe entry for a sell.
Order.
I think right here, if we're gonna keep pushing, we can take a 1 to 2, set a $350 stop loss. And then take this into our final trade of the funded account. This is a reversal. Set a trailing stop of $65, securing the funded account. Let's just see how far we can ride this out. And then we'll set a full TP of, well, the most I am allowed to do on a single day is 14, because on Topstep, the highest amount you're funded is allowed to do. Ooh, I wanna push this out. Let me push it out. Don't close me. I really want to see if we can get one final trade, but I also, of course, do want to just pass the funded account. So I will be keeping this trailing stop at a minimum of 100. And then we'll just keep running the trade out and see where it plays. Because ultimately the reversal and this push back, I think, needs to come. RSI is just pretty low already, so it's kind of gaining some more buyers to be able to sell lower. And that's why all this consolidation is in here, and then that's the sweep of these lows. And then I heavily assume that this was the last sweep because we can't sweep the 9 a.m. yet. And so yeah, now we're starting to see that dip below the VWAP and the 9 EMA and a dip in our RSI. I mean, a simple trade, something that could be, $1,900 turns a bad day into a good one real quick, you know what I'm saying? Securing $500. I mean, I'm just gonna let it run out, and I shouldn't take much longer at this point. 1480 back to back to back 3 days in a row if I hit this. Tell me that's not crazy. I mean, waiting for that second candle to wake up. Bro, hit my TP. Hit my TP. Bro, can I single candle this right now? Single candle, $1,400 trade, 5 minutes. No? Yes, we can. Still have a minute left in this candle. I think we can. And come on. We're really pushing this one out. $30 seconds. I don't really want to stay in the trade if this candle isn't gonna wick into TP. It should. And
order
that's
filled.
TP hit. So that is trade number 3. Again, we hit the absolute max limit we can hit. for the day, 50% of total profits. Actually, my total profits is now $4,431. So yeah, with second waking down, we would have went into that fair value gap at around that 0.5 range. I would have taken TP a little bit higher out of that. And then yeah, so I knew second candle was gonna wake up, and I didn't want to take my chances with it waking back up to the VWAP, then catching another tap and a retest down. Would have taken too long, and I didn't want to sit in the trade for another hour. And off a single candle, we just made $1,400 in 5 minutes, back to back to back. This is insane. This is insane. Okay, so coming into the Topstep dashboard, as of right now, obviously it is 8:41 in the morning, and we have to reach and maintain $3,000, keep our consistency target, and then not let us hit the max loss limit, which we've met $3,000. We're at 4. 50% profit margin. We're keeping that 1470 flat, keeping it nice but real close. And then obviously we didn't hit the stop limit because we didn't lose a trade. My win rate across this funded eval is 100%. Not many can say that. I feel that's kind of crazy. I mean, fuck, call it luck. But taking this trade, coming off of resistance, and our 9-hour, I felt confident that was the absolute closest we were getting to that 9-hour, and we dipped into less than $100 into our stop loss until we started breaking into positive and making $1,400. So obviously I'm done trading for today. I think I'm going to be done trading for the week as well, because I have a new account, or I'm going to be getting a new account from Topstep, which is going to be the Express account, which we will actually be trading for real money. And then this time I'll be holding these trades out until they hit full TPs. Coming off of Monday, that trade that I took, I think I had full TP at $2,800, and it ended up hitting that TP 20 minutes after hitting my first TP, which $2,800, if you think about it, is double the amount of money that I was taking on Monday. And if we can hit trades like that, then we are securing ourselves a bag and financial freedom. You know what I'm saying? So, wow. I definitely would have had a trailing stop take me out. But regardless, we took our trade. We made our money. I'm up $1,400. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm a bad trader. You do what I do and you will lose money. However, my win rate on this funded eval is 100%. I feel pretty cool about it. Not trying to flex. I'm still a bad trader. But yeah, next video you guys see me in, I'm going to be on an Express account. Right. So these are the 3 trades that I ended up taking to pass this funded account, and I feel pretty good about getting back into trading. I feel pretty confident about how I'm going to trade, realizing that trading on funded accounts is very different from trading with your personal money. Even when it comes to options and stuff like that, it's taking a chart and really going deep into it and taking those 1-to-1s, those 1-to-2s, but also realizing how much money that you're trading with. The $50,000 can seem like enticing, like so much money, like you're doing something crazy, but you gotta remember to keep things small and and humble almost, because you win one trade and you're gonna think you're going to the Bahamas, but you're not. You know, I feel like any trader that came up on some money, thought they were hot shit, and lost it. And I mean, fuck, me included. I thought I was cool, you know, make a little bit of money, spend some, lose the rest. I think at the end of the day, it's something that everybody has to learn and go through at some point. And I'm glad where I'm standing. I feel good about this. So like I said, I'll see you guys in the next video on the Express funded account. I hope this, guys, gives you a lot of encouragement, because I am starting from somewhere where I had no education on the stock market, and I can say you can be YouTube certified. There's good videos out there. You can learn good things, and if you put enough time and effort into learning the stock market, then you know you're gonna actually succeed and do good things. Like, remember, everything is a learned skill. Everything is gonna be hard until you learn it. So why not start now? Start right now. Sit down. Look at some markets. I don't know. Charts. FX replays. Do back testing. Pull out a demo. There's no excuse. You don't have to actually sit there and make money to start learning. And then when you actually have a little bit of money, I paid $50 for this eval. You can. And you will. Alright. I'm yapping. I'll see y'all.